Hello, my name is Daniel Yup. Thank you for watching today. I appreciate you, your time, and your support. In today's video, I want to share with you how we can go about getting smoother lines within Procreate. Should you have any questions at any point throughout this video, I encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, all under Daniel Yuck. I would appreciate the support over there as well. With that being said, let's get right on into this. So within Procreate, there are a couple of ways that we can go about getting smoother lines, and I am going to share both methods with you here in this video. So when we are in Procreate, it doesn't matter what size session we are using. Our canvas could be any size of our liking. Now, this session right here is going to be 11.5 by 8, so it's going to be 8 in width, 11.5 in height. This is the standard size of a tattoo stencil paper, which is why I'm using this one for this demonstration. This is also the size that I use majority when I'm working within Procreate. So not only can I use any canvas size, this method that I'm going to share with you, or one of them rather, can also be done with any brush we choose to use. So here I have a blank canvas. I'm going to be using this random pointed blend brush right here. There are two methods that we can utilize to get smooth lines. The first one is a very straightforward process, however it does require a lot more upfront effort. So you're going to notice that with this brush right here, no matter how stable I try to be, the lines still have a jagged sort of rough look to them. Even when I go thinner in line weight, as stable as I can possibly be, I'm still getting this sort of look right here. This is what I want to avoid at all costs when I am lining. I want smooth, clean, consistent lines all the way through each and every line that I pull. So one way we can counter this here is going to be where we identify our point A and B, and once we're done creating the line, we hold it down, and you can see that Procreate straightens out the entire line here. So let me show you. You can see this one's really rough. I stop, I hold it down, and then Procreate automatically straightens out and smooths out these lines tremendously in comparison to these over here. Even at a smaller line weight like so, my pin's having a little trouble scanning there, but you can see it's going to do this with any line weight we choose to use. Maybe not the swirl, but you get the idea, in arches or straight lines like so. You can see Procreate smooths them out for me. Now this method right here does require a lot of effort up front, I feel. So that means anytime we're lining a design, we're always gonna have to go and then stop, let it do its thing, let it do its thing. You get the idea. That can be rather time consuming and a discouraging stencil creative process, but that is one way that we can go about smoothing out lines. Allow me to do one more quick demonstration here. So you're gonna see I'm just gonna draw a line, hold it down, Procreate straightens it out for me. Same thing, you can see this line's really rough, hold it down, Procreate smooths it out for me. All we have to do is line the area, hold it down, and then Procreate will do the rest. And this can be for any line weight we choose, and for any brush on any canvas size. So that right there is one way that we can go about getting smooth lines within Procreate. Again, it does require more upfront work. However, it's still one way that we can get smoother lines. Now, another method, and this one's my personal favorite right here, same rule of thumb is going to apply. We can use any canvas size with any brush, and we can just simply tweak the settings here a little bit. So I still have the pointed blend brush selected. I'm going to actually duplicate this so that way I can leave the original there. Now once I've duplicated that brush, I'm going to go into the brush settings by tapping on it, as you saw me do right there. I'm going to select stabilization over here off to this side, and within streamline right here, this is all that we're going to worry about right now. And I'm going to switch the amount all the way up to 100. What this is going to do is this is going to smooth the pin out as I use it. So you can see it is tremendously smoother in comparison to the original brush, which was this one right here. Granted, that one really didn't mess up either. However, as you can see, that right there versus that is a lot more smoother than this right here. So that is another way that we can go about smoothing out our lines within Procreate, is by using the setting under stabilization, amount, take the amount all the way up, which is under streamline right here. Make sure we max that out, and it'll give our brushes a much more smoother appearance to them, resulting in better tattoo stencils or overall just better quality lines, as you can see right here. So you can see that is a tremendous difference. Although it's not too bad, it still is a lot more rougher, and this one is a lot more smoother than this right here. So just one quick little last comparison. You can see that this is the first brush I was using, and this is the brush with the stabilization activated, and it is tremendously cleaner. And granted, I know these are just simple zigzags here, but you can really see the line weight integrity here fluctuate, and you can see that there is a lot more wobble on this side than there is the brush that's stabilized. So I would highly recommend, if you're going to be doing dense detailed work where you are going to be doing a lot of lining, whatever brush you use to line, I would recommend that you duplicate it, head on over to the settings, head on over to the stabilization tab, and then take the amount up on streamline all the way up to max before you start lining anything, so that way your stencils could have a much more smoother appearance, which will contribute, I feel, to the overall quality of the tattoo that we're gonna do. That'll be it for this one right here. Should you have any questions at all, I encourage you to drop a comment down below, and I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring my bell, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, all under Daniel Yuck. I would appreciate the support over there as well. With that being said, I appreciate your time and I thank you for your support. You have a great day.